Let's move on to the e-way bill section. The main advantages of creating an e-way bill using Kernel are its simplicity and speed. Let's walk through the steps of creating an e-way bill document with Kernel. Delivery challan and tax invoice are available as options in the document type section of the e-way bill. Firstly, let's figure out when each should be used when creating an e-way bill. When the item is delivered from your warehouse to your store, we use the delivery challan to create an e-way bill. However, if the item is sold from the store, we deal with outward delivery sales and must issue a tax invoice. The following field to pay attention to is the transaction type. Here are 4 options. Let's discuss each so we know when we should use it. Let's start with regular. This occurs when the seller's billing and shipping addresses are the same. Moreover, the buyer's billing and shipping addresses are identical too. With bill to, ship to, we only use it when the buyer's billing and shipping addresses differ. In that case, where the seller's shipping and billing addresses are different, we should select the bill from dispatch from option. Combination of 2 and 3 is needed when both the seller and buyer have different billing and shipping addresses. For the supply type, we choose outward when creating a tax invoice and inward when generating a delivery challan. The other fields are automatically generated. Let's move on to the next step, bill from. The information about your company is automatically generated too, but if you wish to make any changes, you can do so from here. We'll proceed to the bill to section next. Just fill in a few fields, and the customer is added. Please ensure all information is entered correctly, paying particular attention to the GSTN, address, and PIN code. It is also possible to automatically complete information about already registered users with a single click using the functionality. Continuing, let's find out more about the item section. You can directly fill in the item details by clicking on an item in your list. An alternative method of adding an item is to use the HSN or SAC search bar. Following that, we move to the transportation details section. As in the previous case, it is essential to ensure that each field is filled out correctly. Transporter ID is same as GSTN. Our next step is to fill out Part B. Besides selecting the mode of your choice, you can also choose the type of vehicle you wish to purchase. Once you've filled in the mandatory fields, it's all done. E-way bill document is ready. Once you have submitted the document, a field will appear where you can enter your GSP portal credentials. Upon registering GSP, you will be able to enter the username and password on the e-way bill. This complete guide will teach you how to create a username and password by clicking on this link. The e-way bill document you just created will appear on a separate page. Here is what the e-way bill document looks like. You can download it or generate a tax invoice from e-way bill. It is also possible to generate an e-way bill directly from a tax invoice you have already created. All you need to do is fill in the transportation details. Other fields, such as the customer's information and the shipping address, will be generated automatically.